Hello, my YouTube family. I still go by the name Brad Bosco Jr. on Boswell Media Production on YouTube. Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. In today's tutorials, we are going to learn how to enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. Why two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication help you protect your account. Make sure you are the only person can get access to your account. If you try login, Facebook will send you an additional code for you to approve that you are the original account owner. Without wasting much time, type in www.facebook.com. As it's open like this, you come to the right corner here, account. Get on it, you come to settings and privacy checkup. Who can see what you share, how to keep your account secure, how people can find you on Facebook, your data settings on Facebook. Yeah, so we come to how to keep your account secure. How to keep your account secure. We will take you through some steps to help protect your account. Your password is okay. Turn on two-factor authentication. Turn on login alerts. Continue. Your password, change your password, choose a password that you don't use anywhere else online. Make it easy for you to remember and difficult for others to guess. Never share your password to anyone. So next, it said alert. If you turn on two-factor authentication, we will ask for a code if we see an unattempted login from an unrecognized device or browser. Okay, you can here read if you okay with it. You can set this up via SMS or an authentication app on more than one device. You can't reset your password with a phone number used for two-factor authentication. Make sure you have at least one other up-to-date email or phone number on your account. So get started. Yes. Secure your account with two-factor authentication. Add extra security to your account every time you log in on a phone or computer we don't recognize. Extra protection. Choose a security code. Okay, get started. Yes, it said select a security method. Anytime you log in from it, okay. So we are going to choose SMS. SMS here. It said use SMS, use text message, SMS to receive verification code for your protection. Phone numbers used for authentication can't be used to reset your password when to set us on. Okay, let's use this one. As you mark it like this, you come to continue. Do you want to choose a phone number, choose a mobile phone number already on your account, or add a new number for two-factor authentication? This is the number you will receive your verification code on. So I'll just use the one on my account already. So hit on continue. They will send you code. So as you receive your code, you just put it inside, you type in. Okay, mine is 274093. Continue. Two-factor authentication is on. We will send a verification code to this number if we notice an attempted login from a device or browser we don't recognize. For additional protection, this number can be used to reset your password when two-factor authentication is on. get notification about new text message. Just done. It's okay like that. So next, turn on alert. When you turn on alert, we will let you know if someone else logged into your account from a place we don't recognize. We will tell you which device was used and where it's located. This one, okay, you can turn it on, but me, I don't want to get it. So, just next, review another topic. That's all. So, that's all for today's tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Stay safe.